What's up guys, in this video we will be talking about the safety and reliability of Apex One AI. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so this is the landing page guys of Apex A1, and I have invested in this project for quite some time already, and I wanted to give you guys an honest review because I know that there are some rumors and doubts spreading in Germany about the safety of the company. So since I always make sure that I always do my own research before getting into any project guys, I could say that Apex One AI is one of those legit companies that I will definitely continue to work with and make trades on, right? So Apex One Limited is also the leading experts in the field of cryptocurrency trading. So, and guys, for those of you that are new in like trading in crypto, you know for a fact that it is very speculative, especially for those that are doing scalping or hour trading or day trading. This is very important. You have to make sure that you're always on top of your trades and never miss any pumps or any dumps or anything like that. And that is when the AI comes into play, right? And that is also one of the major advantages of Apex A1. So showing you guys the transactions here. Let me quickly show you the transactions that I have already made. So these are like the payment, the withdrawals, and all those things that I have already done in the past. So one of the significant advantages guys of working with Apex One AI Limited is that they use the advanced technology of the AI algorithms, which ensures the accuracy and efficiency in your cryptocurrency trading, which I mentioned earlier as well. I highly recommend that you guys go ahead and check out Apex One AI. And just like what I do, I always make sure that I do my own research before I even get into projects. And that I will also strongly recommend that you do. And if you're going to be asking me, is Apex AI legit? It is definitely a legit project that you must go ahead and check out. That way you would not miss any trades in the future. If you're new to the channel guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.